It's time for another one. We're playing obby, but you're a bird. Again. It hasn't even been a day. Yeah. But, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna... If you haven't seen the other parts, I would recommend seeing them. But I mean, it doesn't matter too much. I think it's mostly just the last video. Long jump. Do we have to... Oh, wait. It's the target. Boom, I did it. I mean, I could have probably done that if... yeah. Okay. Oh, wait. You see, we're smarter because they actually went the right way, and I wasn't gonna do that. So, we're way smarter than me. Finally! Oh my gosh, why did that take so long? Oh, gee. Okay. Okay, yeah, this really was a longer part, so... Well, at least it seems like it's going to be. I mean, it hasn't been that long yet anyway, but, you know, oh wow, I was talking so quietly earlier. I don't know if you guys could even hear me. Yeah, this feels better to talk, like, I didn't even jump that time. I'm actually so bad at this game. I am actually buns. Okay. What the heck? Why does this have to be so hard? Is there like another way to do this? There has to be. That feels impossible. Like, actually. Okay. I guess I have to redo that entire part. Since I just... Since I suck. Yeah. I really did. Yeah, I shouldn't get so negative already. I haven't even gone to... This is actually so annoying. Long jump. Okay, now I actually know what to do. 100 points. For real this time. You know, maybe they weren't being smart. Okay, yeah, I do go that way. They are smarter than me. I guess. Not that much, though. I mean, it's just that I know we're better about. They just knew which way to go. Maybe it took them a long time to realize that. Yes, let's go. I'm already back. I don't care. Wait a second. Okay, never mind. I wonder if I could make that. You know? No, I cannot. Okay. What am I supposed to do here? Oh, okay, I actually did it. When I thought it was impossible. No. No, I finally did it. Okay. Yeah. 100 points again. So easy. Oh. That's nice. I'm kind of surprised that we have that. Just to save dumb players. Like me. Okay, that should stop being so negative, really, though. I'm not dumb. Oh wait, did I start speaking quiet again? Say it in the comment. If I lose and don't get back to, and I don't get to 8, like, again, I'm probably just gonna, you know, cut to it. But since I'm so close now, I'm not gonna cut to it. You guys have to wait. Or you could just skip, like, 10 seconds. And, yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. There's more. I mean, it did say it was a really long level. Except, I mean, that already took me like a few minutes. How? What was I supposed to do there? Okay, yeah, whatever. Well, you heard me. Okay, I actually did it. So I'm back here. I just hope that I don't die. Yeah. Wait. Please, okay. Maybe I can just go. Okay, I cannot simply just walk around it. Oh no. Okay, I have to do all that again. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, nice. This was in fact not nice, actually. Yes. Yes! Okay. Honestly, I don't know if that's enough for a video or not. It depends on... Ooh. Okay, yeah, I'm not... Yeah, this might take a while. Okay, No. Okay. Why? Okay, yeah, Oh wait, I just realized what I have to do. You guys probably think I'm so dumb right now. Yeah. Okay. How did I not see that? Do I go? No, I don't. Probably, yeah. Hmm. Okay. Of course, I know we have to go up. Okay. Go on this tree. Go up here and... Okay, what the... Today I am raging at Obby, but you are a bird because it is very hard. How about that? Oh my gosh. Ugh. I am too tired. No, I'm not. I'm not very tired. I'm just... This is just annoying. That's it. Oh. Actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna stop it here. I don't know if that was too short, but, yeah, see you guys later.